Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you the Spooky Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm going to put in a fold like this. Just fold it in half or however you want to do it. Doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to come up and over like this. So we have this so far. Both of them are going to come around like so. And then we're going to do a wreath like this. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the orange one or the bottom one in like this. And then I'm just going to fold the black one in half and go over like this. I know you can't really see the black one very well. So then we're going to do a wreath right here with the orange. And I'm going to poke it through here like this. I'm going to kind of So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have this kind of come over like that. Do the same with this one, but just kind of bring it over and kind of turn it back this way and then turn it back this way. You really can't see that though. Come over like this and then turn it back over here like this. And then just turn this piece and have it go back like this. Trying to get it to where you guys can see it out there. It's not really, these dark knots, these dark ties don't really show up very good. There you have the Spooky Wreath. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch this on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Catch you in the next tutorial video. Bye.